Those are for his party.
Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're just more little decorations for Tyler's birthday party.
What's in here? Nothing. Oh, Daddy, want to play with this?
What's the number on it, Tyler?
Hey, no, Tyler, I guess we went like this one. This is blue. Ow.
Tyler, happy birthday!
Tyler, did you know Mama bought that tree for you?
You like that balloon?